to Sound Bites Academy. You have reached day 25 of our 30 Days English Level Up Challenge. How do you approach making new friends as an adult?
How do you approach making new friends as an adult?
Making new friends as an adult requires putting oneself out there and seeking opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals. Joining clubs, attending community events, or participating in group activities related to personal interests are great ways to meet new people and foster meaningful friendships.
Making new friends as an adult requires putting oneself out there and seeking opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals. Joining clubs, attending community events, or participating in group activities related to personal interests are great ways to meet new people and foster meaningful friendships.
How do you approach learning a new language?
How do you approach learning a new language?
Learning a new language requires dedication and immersion. I practice by immersing myself in the language through listening to podcasts, watching movies, and conversing with native speakers. Consistency, patience, and embracing mistakes as part of the learning process are key to progressing in a new language.
Learning a new language requires dedication and immersion. I practice by immersing myself in the language through listening to podcasts, watching movies, and conversing with native speakers. Consistency, patience, and embracing mistakes as part of the learning process are key to progressing in a new language.
How do you approach maintaining a positive mindset during challenging times?
How do you approach maintaining a positive mindset during challenging times?
During challenging times, maintaining a positive mindset is crucial for resilience and well-being. I practice gratitude by focusing on the things I am thankful for and finding silver linings in difficult situations. Engaging in self-care activities and surrounding myself with supportive loved ones are also ways I cultivate a positive mindset.
During challenging times, maintaining a positive mindset is crucial for resilience and well-being. I practice gratitude by focusing on the things I am thankful for and finding silver linings in difficult situations. Engaging in self-care activities and surrounding myself with supportive loved ones are also ways I cultivate a positive mindset.
How do you approach maintaining a healthy lifestyle?
How do you approach maintaining a healthy lifestyle?
I engage in exercises I enjoy, such as cycling or hiking, to stay active. Prioritizing quality sleep, managing stress through practices like yoga or meditation, and nurturing my mental well-being are all part of my holistic approach to maintaining a healthy and balanced lifestyle.
I engage in exercises I enjoy, such as cycling or hiking, to stay active. Prioritizing quality sleep, managing stress through practices like yoga or meditation, and nurturing my mental well-being are all part of my holistic approach to maintaining a healthy and balanced lifestyle.
What's your favorite type of art?
What's your favorite type of art?
I find myself drawn to the vibrant world of street art. The creativity, bold colors, and thought-provoking messages that adorn walls and buildings captivate my imagination. Street art has the power to transform mundane urban landscapes into open-air galleries, offering a platform for artists to express their voices and make a visual impact on communities.
I find myself drawn to the vibrant world of street art. The creativity, bold colors, and thought-provoking messages that adorn walls and buildings captivate my imagination. Street art has the power to transform mundane urban landscapes into open-air galleries, offering a platform for artists to express their voices and make a visual impact on communities.
Have you ever participated in a cooking competition or baking contest?
Have you ever participated in a cooking competition or baking contest?
Yes, I once participated in a baking contest. It was an exciting and nerve-wracking experience, working against the clock to prepare a delicious and visually appealing dessert. While I didn't win, the opportunity to challenge myself, receive feedback from experienced judges, and connect with fellow baking enthusiasts was immensely rewarding.
Yes, I once participated in a baking contest. It was an exciting and nerve-wracking experience, working against the clock to prepare a delicious and visually appealing dessert. While I didn't win, the opportunity to challenge myself, receive feedback from experienced judges, and connect with fellow baking enthusiasts was immensely rewarding.
What's your favorite type of outdoor activity during the winter?
What's your favorite type of outdoor activity during the winter?
During the winter, I love hitting the slopes and going skiing. The feeling of gliding down powdery snow, surrounded by stunning mountain landscapes, is exhilarating. It's a sport that combines physical activity, nature appreciation, and the thrill of speed.
During the winter, I love hitting the slopes and going skiing. The feeling of gliding down powdery snow, surrounded by stunning mountain landscapes, is exhilarating. It's a sport that combines physical activity, nature appreciation, and the thrill of speed.
How do you approach learning new skills or hobbies?
How do you approach learning new skills or hobbies?
I approach them with curiosity and a growth mindset. I embrace the opportunity to expand my knowledge and challenge myself. Whether it's learning a musical instrument, trying my hand at photography, or delving into a new sport, I believe in taking small steps, being patient with the learning process, and finding joy in the journey of acquiring new skills.
I approach them with curiosity and a growth mindset. I embrace the opportunity to expand my knowledge and challenge myself. Whether it's learning a musical instrument, trying my hand at photography, or delving into a new sport, I believe in taking small steps, being patient with the learning process, and finding joy in the journey of acquiring new skills.
What's your favorite type of cuisine for a celebratory meal?
What's your favorite type of cuisine for a celebratory meal?
I enjoy indulging in the exquisite flavors of Japanese cuisine. From savoring delicate sushi and sashimi to relishing the rich umami of a perfectly grilled Wagyu steak, Japanese cuisine offers a symphony of flavors and meticulous attention to detail. The artistry and elegance of the presentation elevate the dining experience and make it a memorable feast fit for special occasions.
I enjoy indulging in the exquisite flavors of Japanese cuisine. From savoring delicate sushi and sashimi to relishing the rich umami of a perfectly grilled Wagyu steak, Japanese cuisine offers a symphony of flavors and meticulous attention to detail. The artistry and elegance of the presentation elevate the dining experience and make it a memorable feast fit for special occasions.
Have you ever explored a foreign country on your own?
Have you ever explored a foreign country on your own?
Yes, I have embarked on solo adventures in foreign countries. It's an incredibly empowering experience that allows me to embrace independence, self-discovery, and cultural immersion. Meeting fellow travelers along the way creates memories and connections that are uniquely shaped by the freedom and introspection that solo travel offers.
Yes, I have embarked on solo adventures in foreign countries. It's an incredibly empowering experience that allows me to embrace independence, self-discovery, and cultural immersion. Meeting fellow travelers along the way creates memories and connections that are uniquely shaped by the freedom and introspection that solo travel offers.
What's your favorite type of music to listen to when you're feeling nostalgic?
What's your favorite type of music to listen to when you're feeling nostalgic?
When I'm feeling nostalgic, I enjoy listening to classic hits from the 80s and 90s. The familiar tunes evoke fond memories and transport me back to special moments in my past. Whether it's belting out power ballads or grooving to infectious pop beats, this music brings a wave of nostalgia, happiness, and a connection to the experiences and emotions of my younger self.
When I'm feeling nostalgic, I enjoy listening to classic hits from the 80s and 90s. The familiar tunes evoke fond memories and transport me back to special moments in my past. Whether it's belting out power ballads or grooving to infectious pop beats, this music brings a wave of nostalgia, happiness, and a connection to the experiences and emotions of my younger self.
How do you feel about the impact of climate change on the environment?
How do you feel about the impact of climate change on the environment?
The impact of climate change on the environment is a pressing concern. Rising temperatures, extreme weather events, and the loss of biodiversity pose significant challenges for our planet. It's crucial that we take collective action to mitigate the effects of climate change, reduce carbon emissions, promote sustainable practices, and protect vulnerable ecosystems.
The impact of climate change on the environment is a pressing concern. Rising temperatures, extreme weather events, and the loss of biodiversity pose significant challenges for our planet. It's crucial that we take collective action to mitigate the effects of climate change, reduce carbon emissions, promote sustainable practices, and protect vulnerable ecosystems.
Have you ever volunteered abroad?
Have you ever volunteered abroad?
Yes, I had the opportunity to volunteer abroad in a rural community. The experience of immersing myself in a different culture, working alongside locals, and making a positive impact on their lives was transformative. It broadened my perspective, deepened my empathy, and highlighted the power of collective action and global citizenship.
Yes, I had the opportunity to volunteer abroad in a rural community. The experience of immersing myself in a different culture, working alongside locals, and making a positive impact on their lives was transformative. It broadened my perspective, deepened my empathy, and highlighted the power of collective action and global citizenship.
How do you approach incorporating exercise into your daily routine?
How do you approach incorporating exercise into your daily routine?
Incorporating exercise into my daily routine is a priority for me. I aim to find activities that I genuinely enjoy, whether it's taking a dance class, going for a bike ride, or practicing yoga. By choosing activities that bring me joy, I'm more likely to stay consistent and make exercise a sustainable habit.
Incorporating exercise into my daily routine is a priority for me. I aim to find activities that I genuinely enjoy, whether it's taking a dance class, going for a bike ride, or practicing yoga. By choosing activities that bring me joy, I'm more likely to stay consistent and make exercise a sustainable habit.
Have you ever tried any traditional folk dances from different cultures?
Have you ever tried any traditional folk dances from different cultures?
Yes, I've had the privilege of learning and experiencing traditional folk dances from different cultures. From the vibrant rhythms of salsa in Latin America to the graceful movements of traditional Chinese dance, immersing myself in these cultural expressions allows me to connect with the heritage and traditions of various communities.
Yes, I've had the privilege of learning and experiencing traditional folk dances from different cultures. From the vibrant rhythms of salsa in Latin America to the graceful movements of traditional Chinese dance, immersing myself in these cultural expressions allows me to connect with the heritage and traditions of various communities.
What's your favorite type of literature to read for leisure?
What's your favorite type of literature to read for leisure?
For leisure reading, I enjoy diving into the captivating worlds of fantasy and science fiction. The imaginative storytelling, intricate world building, and compelling characters transport me to realms where anything is possible. Whether it's epic fantasy sagas or mind-bending sci-fi adventures, these genres ignite my imagination.
For leisure reading, I enjoy diving into the captivating worlds of fantasy and science fiction. The imaginative storytelling, intricate world building, and compelling characters transport me to realms where anything is possible. Whether it's epic fantasy sagas or mind-bending sci-fi adventures, these genres ignite my imagination.
How do you approach learning about different cultures and promoting inclusivity?
How do you approach learning about different cultures and promoting inclusivity?
Learning about different cultures and promoting inclusivity is a lifelong journey. I approach it with an open mind, curiosity, and a willingness to listen and learn from diverse perspectives. I seek out cultural festivals, read books by diverse authors, engage in respectful conversations, and actively challenge biases or stereotypes.
Learning about different cultures and promoting inclusivity is a lifelong journey. I approach it with an open mind, curiosity, and a willingness to listen and learn from diverse perspectives. I seek out cultural festivals, read books by diverse authors, engage in respectful conversations, and actively challenge biases or stereotypes.
How do you feel about the impact of social media on personal relationships?
How do you feel about the impact of social media on personal relationships?
Social media can both connect and disconnect people. While it allows us to stay connected with loved ones, it's important to be mindful of maintaining genuine, face-to-face interactions. Balancing virtual connections with meaningful in-person moments nurtures deeper bonds and enriches personal relationships.
Social media can both connect and disconnect people. While it allows us to stay connected with loved ones, it's important to be mindful of maintaining genuine, face-to-face interactions. Balancing virtual connections with meaningful in-person moments nurtures deeper bonds and enriches personal relationships.
Have you ever participated in a creative workshop, such as painting or pottery?
Have you ever participated in a creative workshop, such as painting or pottery?
Yes, I've attended painting workshops and found them to be a wonderful outlet for self-expression and creativity. The guidance from experienced artists and the opportunity to explore different techniques have sparked new artistic passions and allowed me to tap into my inner artist.
Yes, I've attended painting workshops and found them to be a wonderful outlet for self-expression and creativity. The guidance from experienced artists and the opportunity to explore different techniques have sparked new artistic passions and allowed me to tap into my inner artist.
What's your favorite type of cuisine for a cozy night at home?
What's your favorite type of cuisine for a cozy night at home?
For a cozy night at home, I love indulging in a comforting bowl of homemade chicken noodle soup. Its warmth, nourishing ingredients, and soothing flavors make it the perfect companion for a relaxing evening.
For a cozy night at home, I love indulging in a comforting bowl of homemade chicken noodle soup. Its warmth, nourishing ingredients, and soothing flavors make it the perfect companion for a relaxing evening.
Have you ever traveled solo to a foreign country?
Have you ever traveled solo to a foreign country?
Yes, I've embarked on solo adventures to foreign countries, and it's an incredible journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Solo travel allows for flexibility, self-reliance, and the opportunity to step out of one's comfort zone, fostering personal growth and creating lifelong memories.
Yes, I've embarked on solo adventures to foreign countries, and it's an incredible journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Solo travel allows for flexibility, self-reliance, and the opportunity to step out of one's comfort zone, fostering personal growth and creating lifelong memories.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below if you found any content challenging and share your thoughts with other learners. Subscribe, like, and share this video to support us and stay up to date on new courses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.